So what are the mistakes that worsen your pore appearance? In order to have small pores, basically we need to fulfill 3 conditions. One is that we need the pores to be unclogged. If you have pores that are clogged up with oil and dead skin, your pores can never be small. 2, we need to reduce oil production to the skin, because if you have very active oil glands, your pores have to dilate in order to pour out oil into the skin. 3, even if you have unclogged pores, if your skin elasticity is poor, the pores will not be able to bounce back into the smallest possible size. So knowing that we need to fulfill these 3 factors, these are some of the common mistakes that patients make that worsen their pore appearance. The first would be inconsistent skincare routine. I do know that many patients try different types of hydration products and moisturizers to their skin. I think it's important to stick to one that works. If you have an oily skin type, try not to use thick moisturizers to the skin, because this is likely to block your pores. If your skin is dry, do make sure you use an adequate moisturizer to the skin. Of course, over-exfoliation is also an issue, because if you exfoliate too much, you end up stripping off the oil on the surface of the skin, and that could actually stimulate your oil glands to be even more active. So to give yourself the best chance of having small pores on your skin, these are some of the options that you ought to consider. Firstly, of course, is to use a suitable hydration or moisturizer to your skin. This should not be too rich, such that it clogs your pores, but it should also be adequate so that it helps you to maintain the elasticity of your skin and also to reduce the hyperstimulation of the oil glands to the skin. Consider a product such as a retinoid in your daily skincare regime, and this can range from entry-level over-the-counter retinoids such as retinol to professionally prescribed retinoids such as tretinoin. Depending on your skin type, whether you have oily skin type or acne-prone skin type or a very dry skin type, your medical professional will be able to advise you which is the most suitable. Of course, the third option to consider would be professional treatments that help you to improve the elasticity of your skin. So this can range from lasers, microneedling, radiofrequency, or a few other treatments that your medical professional may recommend you depending on your skin type. So when we have all these 3 factors combined, you are most likely to have skin that's got beautiful small pores.